So this is just a quick video. I'm going to show you a tool from the Symfony framework called VarDumper, and a lot of other frameworks use this. So if you've used other frameworks, you'll probably recognize its output. So this package makes a VarDump style output, but formats it. So here, for example, we're building up an array and dumping it out, and it formats it like so. So when you have like a large request object, this is brilliant because you can collapse things down, open things up, and you've not filled the screen with output. So I'm going to add this in as well into my Scratchpad so we can use it in future videos. So let's clone the Scratchpad and get started. So to pull that down, it's just a composer require Symfony/var-dumper. Then, like previous videos, we'll just start up a PHP server on localhost and deploy 8000. Let's just open that up and we're ready to go. So now we have our project open. We don't actually need to pull anything in. It's auto-loaded already for us. So let's just do a basic dump of just a string hello. Now if we go over to our browser and take a look at this, you can see it's formatted. Now obviously this is just a string, so there's not actually much to it. So let's build up an array. So let's just build up an array and just put a couple of text items in this one, nothing fancy, and let's give the page a refresh. Now you see it printed out the array for us with the key value pairs, and we can also collapse this. So when we have multi-dimensional arrays, we can collapse them all down and browse through them a lot easier, much like you would do in your IDE. So let's create a multi-dimensional array. So let's add another item into our array of type array, and we'll just throw some integers in there. Now if we just save that and give this a refresh, so we see we have our top level array, and then we have another array inside of it, and this all expands out. So as you can see, in larger projects with bigger outputs, especially when you're dealing with large like request objects and stuff, this is really handy. So as I said, I am going to put this into my my Scratchpad, so if you do pull it down, you will have the dump function in there ready to use for future videos. So if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe, and if you've got any packages that you want me to review, drop me a message and I'll look into them.